Hey everyone, welcome back. Flying Singapore Airlines soon? Don't stress about check-in. I'll break it down into 5 clear points so you can breeze through it and start your trip relaxed. Let's go. Point 1. Turn on auto check-in early right after you book. Go to manage booking on singaporeair.com or the Singapore Air app. Switch on auto check-in at least 48 hours before departure. Singapore Airlines will automatically check you in 48 hours out and email a confirmation. Super handy. You just generate your boarding pass later. Note: not available for unaccompanied minors under 18 or some group bookings. Point 2. Online or mobile check-in, 48 hours to 1.5 hours before. Prefer doing it yourself? Online and mobile check-in open exactly 48 hours before departure and close 1.5 hours prior. Visit singaporeair.com, click check-in, or open the Singapore Air app. Enter your booking reference, 6 characters, or e-ticket number and last name. Confirm passenger details and passport info, pick or change seats if you want, then finish. You'll get a digital or mobile boarding pass. You can still check in online even with bags to drop. Point 3. Airport options, kiosks and counters at the airport. Use self-service kiosks, available up to 24 hours ahead at Changi and selected airports, if your passport is machine-readable. Scan your passport or boarding pass, select seats, and print tags. Or head to manned counters, open up to 48 hours early at Changi, earlier for some destinations limited. Counters usually close 40 to 50 minutes before departure. Arrive at least 3 hours early if checking bags. Premium passengers and certain members get dedicated first class or priority desks. Point 4. Drop your bags even after online or auto check-in. Take checked luggage to the automated bag drop or counter. At selected airports you can tag bags at the kiosk and use self-bag drop from about 24 hours before. Just follow the signs, quick and easy. Point 5. Final tips for smooth travel: have your passport, valid for your destination, booking details, and any visas ready. Digital boarding passes work at many airports, but print a backup if needed. For Scoot-operated first legs or partner flights, check their rules. Unaccompanied minors or special requests usually need the counter. That's it. Check singaporeair.com for the latest, as times can vary by airport. Safe travels and enjoy the Singapore Airlines experience. Like and subscribe for more flight tips. Thank you for watching.